have some cozy game tea. So this is about this game called Moonfrost. Their Twitter handle is Moonfrost Game. And this game looks super cute. You know, it's another pixel art cozy farming game. Look at the little chickens, they're adorable. You get birds, you can plant your crops. There's a romance in the game as well. You can have pets. You can also interact with the villagers or the townspeople. So, you know, they just have tweets like this. So we've tried to get our founders to make fishing the next feature to develop, and they've agreed on the condition we hit 60K followers by the end of July. Algorithm, please do your thing. Typical farming sim updates. We have people doing breakdowns of the game. Nothing against George, I don't know this person. More videos about their game. They're giving little dev updates, which is really cute. This is like typical farming game stuff, like what you normally see. Really cute character design as well, houses, sneak peek into the alpha release. This looks so cute. What does their pinned tweet say, guys? Welcome to Moonfrost. You're about to embark on an epic adventure in this pixel-perfect world. Free to play, lovely, farming sim, RPG, digital collectibles. What's that? So if we go to their website, you see it says Moonfrost. Join our community. Sign up for a chance to play in our closed alphas. Welcome to Moonfrost, a free-to-play life sim farming RPG coming to PC and mobile soon. Again, more screenshots of the game. A lot of this is stuff that we saw. The art is beautiful, don't get me wrong. I have nothing against that. Really cute character designs as well. Go anywhere. Join our community. You could be anybody. You get to decide who you are in Moonfrost. You can meet people. Our cast of characters will grow over time, ranging from unlikely heroes, legendary champions, ancient evils, and lovable souls, all offering new friendships, romances, or challenges to overcome. See everything. The places you'll go and the experiences you'll have will range from the familiar to the fantastical. This is Moonfrost, and your adventure is about to begin. Made by ｓociaLs. Interesting though. They have an investors tab. Сoциалs's an investor. But an investors tab is not something you commonly see with games. It's definitely giving more like startup vibes than indie game dev. So again, let's check out their investors. We all know СоциалsL, right? I'm sure we all know СоциалsL, but if you guys don't know СоциалsL, they made Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, Brawl Stars, a lot of other really popular titles. They're all mobile games. Let's check out this next investor, Pantera. You go on their website. First US institutional asset manager focused exclusively on blockchain technology. Then we have Amioka Brands, driving digital property rights via NFTs and gaming to build the open metaverse. About Us, Animoca Brands, a Deloitte Tech Fast winner, a Fortune Crypto 40 company, and one of the Financial Times High Growth Companies Asia Pacific 2023, is a Web3 leader that leverages blockchain to deliver digital property rights to consumers around the world to help establish the open metaverse. The company develops and publishes a broad portfolio of products, including original games such as The Sandbox, Phantom Galaxies, Life Beyond, and Crazy Defense Heroes, and products utilizing popular intellectual properties from the worlds of sports and entertainment, such as The Walking Dead, Power Rangers, MotoGP, and Formula E. It has multiple subsidiaries, including The Sandbox, Blowfish Studios. Blowfish Studios? Never mind. Never mind. Their name sounded familiar, but they didn't make what I thought they made. Our mission, to deliver digital property rights to the world's gamers and internet users, thereby creating a new asset class, play-to-earn economies, and a more equitable digital framework contributing to the building of the open metaverse. Next investor, start where others stop. Sometimes it's valid to stop and not continue. Our team, investments and build-up. For Blowcore, investment is not funding at the best time, but creating outstanding results. So they're an investment group or whatever. We firmly believe in the endless possibility of Web3 in all areas, including but not limited to games, services, technologies, and platforms. And finally, we have Griffin, investing in gaming companies at the intersection of content, social platforms, and software infrastructure. So yeah, I mean, they've invested in Discord, Overwolf, other large companies. Interesting, interesting. If you go to Moonfrost's social media, Farm, Build, Nurture, Explore Farming Fest begins on May 29th, developed by ｓociaLs's Games. There basically is very little mention that this is a blockchain NFT game. It's very nicely wrapped up as just being a chill little farming sim. Look at the captions for all of their social media. There's very little mention. Actually, on their Instagram, I haven't seen a single mention yet about NFTs or how the main purpose of this game or the twist in this game is the fact that it is a farming sim game, but the main purpose of this farming sim is to, I guess, NFTs lifetime. The only mention that I really see about this is if you see the pinned tweet and they have digital collectibles written here. Besides that, there's basically no other mention that this is an NFT farming game. So I'm a little also curious about when you sign up for the game. Like, what exactly are you signing up for? Emails, outreach? Look, some people like to say, Kat, you're just outdated and old or whatever. Maybe I truly am all of those things. Maybe I'm old and outdated and I don't understand Web3, blockchain, new technology like that. But I definitely do feel like it's disingenuous to not market this aspect of it because it's cloaked under a thin disguise of it actually being a farming sim game when it is not. There is only one mention about it across their social media. If we go over to their Facebook page, I'm not going to join their Discord, but if we go over to their Facebook page, Moonfrost, okay? The intro, a free-to-play life sim farming RPG coming to PC and mobile soon. And just, posts on Facebook, the reels cross-posted over, etc. Old post. No mention of it being an NFT game. Go over to their Instagram, no mention of it being an NFT game anywhere either on their Instagram. Literally, the only mention that this has any tie to Web3 is the pinned tweet on their Twitter where digital collectibles is mentioned. Only one mention. Even on their website, when you look, welcome to Moonfrost. Go anywhere, be anyone, meet everyone, see everything, yeah. No mention of how you're gonna go farm NFTs in this game. So I feel like that's really disingenuous. That's just me personally. That just smells like false marketing to me. If I didn't know that this was a game that was rooted in NFTs, blockchain, this, that, and the third, I would have signed up for this game. I would have signed up happily looking for a farming sim game to play, another one to add to my repertoire of 20 bajillion farming sim games that I like to play. And I would have been very, very, very let down the moment I found out there was NFT farming aspect of it. So this is really giving me like false advertisement with only one mention that is easily overlooked because it's a pinned tweet. So yeah, I mean, I guess if you really want to play an NFT game, you can sign up for it. I definitely don't recommend it. It's up to you. Finally, if you go look at their developer page, ｓociaLs's Games, independent game studio, currently working on Moonfrost games. There's no mention of NFTs here either, except maybe like collect shards. But like shards of what, It's not explicitly said. This could imply anything. It could be like magical shards in a farming sim game that you then use to like, I don't know, open an undersea cavern full of gold. Who knows? You are not ready for what is about to come. Yeah, finding out this is a blockchain game. Even if you go to their website, there's no mention of it. ｓociaLs's, led by games industry veterans, Gina Nelson and Rick Moore, I don't know who they are. sociaLs's Games is composed of some of the best talents, cool? With years of game dev experience under our belts from industry leading studios, including Epic, Metatonic, Unity, Natural Motion, Sumo, and Ubisoft and others, we're building a world-class team to pioneer the next generation of video games. We're always on the hunt for new talent to join our growing team. Come work with us. Moonfrost and a contact. But again, no mentions of NFTs. I'm just saying, look, enjoy what you enjoy. If that's something you personally enjoy, here's the thing. Look, people who are into NFTs, Web3, this and the third, they always like to act like they're holier than thou and high and mighty and they're on something that we don't know. Maybe they are. Maybe they truly know something that I don't know. Maybe they're smoking something that I don't have. I don't know, bro, right? All I know is to me, it sounds like it's contributing to climate change and y'all are just selling pieces of art, tacking on an astronomical price to it. That's what it sounds like. NFTs is stolen art, yeah.